Hello everyone, how are you guys? I hope you're fine. I'm fine as well. So, this was my Mother's Day look, but I couldn't upload it back then because of some internet issues. So, I'm uploading it now, and you can totally go with that look on any occasion that you like. So, if you want to know how to do it, stay tuned and keep watching. I know it's been ages since I've uploaded a video. It's not like I don't want to do it, but it's a very difficult thing for me to keep up with because of my current routine. I have so many things going on in my life and in my professional life. So keeping up with the pace is a bit difficult for me, and I know it's not good for my channel if I'm not uploading a video every single day, but it's not easy at all considering the current situation that I'm in. The makeup look is extremely easy to understand and pretty straightforward as well, so I don't think so I should narrate so much, because even by the look of it you will get the whole idea. So when I created this channel, I wanted to give as much awareness as I can about self-love and self-grooming and things that can truly make you happy and at peace. So when it comes to doing your makeup, it's an added expression of self-love, a way through which you can express your creativity while adding stars to your personality and your overall look. It's a very peaceful thing to do, honestly. When I'm going through a lot mentally, I think makeup is a way for me to just cope up with my stress and my issues in life. The makeup look was all about my eyes makeup. I wanted to make my eyes a bit smoky with eyeshadows, but I wanted to play it cool and neutral at the same time, because too much smokiness can get messy and very very hard to handle. So I wanted to use the colors that can give the touch of smoke without making a mess. And when the eyelids are hooded, you have to be extremely careful, because one wrong move and you would look like a clown. You have to make sure that your makeup is placed at different angles and points of your eyelid, so that when you look in the mirror, when you're taking a picture, it does not give off a funny look and everything is at place. It's all about creativity and an artistic approach towards makeup. You see, makeup is not much different from painting. Here, the canvas is your face, and you have to be very cautious and very careful about the colors that you're using. And at the same time, you have to make sure that everything blends and everything complements each other. So, once you're done, make sure that you apply highlighter in all appropriate places. As you've seen, I've also added a bit of highlighter while mixing two different base or foundations. This is because you want a glowy touch. If your base is matte and you want a bit of glowiness on your face, you can mix a highlighter with the foundation, and then when you're gonna apply that mixture on your face, it's gonna glow, trust me. And I like glowy makeup. I do not like matte makeup because I have mixture skin or mixed type skin. I don't know if mixture skin is a thing. Also, if you mix two different type of foundations together, it's gonna give you an ideal coverage and hide any bumpiness or redness or marks or blemishes on your face. Do it the next time you're applying your foundation. Try to mix two different types of foundations together, and you'll be amazed by the result. I used three shade lighter concealer here and did all my highlighting with it. For baking your face, if you don't have loose powder, you can also use compact. Basically, these two are the same things, but compact is a bit pressed version of the loose powder that you use. All you have to do is to make sure that your sponge is wet and then tightly press it onto the compact powder, and yeah, apply it to the places where you want that, dewy and not dewy but matte finish. You also have to make sure that the powder remains on your skin for at least 3 to 4 minutes before you take it off. Some people also suggest to keep it that way for 15 minutes before you take off the excessive powder. For lipstick or acquiring the perfect lip shade, I have mixed two different lipsticks from two different companies. If you want to know which colors I've used, please comment down below and I'm gonna tell you the colors if you actually like this particular shade of pink. For a more controlled look, use a lighter color of blush on at the front of your cheek, and at your cheekbones, try to apply a darker color. For more dewy finish, try to make rays with highlighter like I've made, and this way your makeup will look more natural and more illuminating. Applying highlighter in any other way can give too much illumination to your cheeks, and it looks very unnatural and very ugly in the daylight. So I would usually recommend people to apply it this way, and you can definitely try it and see the results. So here I just changed the light, I think, just to give you an idea of how my makeup was looking. Before it I was using a yellow light, so here the light was a bit more whiter. And yeah, I hope you like it, and it's extremely easy, looks extremely pretty. Just go with this look and I can assure you that you will look top notch and bougie and pretty. So if you wanna achieve a quick makeup look without putting too much efforts, I think this makeup is it for you. It's gonna complement each outfit that you have. Well, that is it guys. I hope you like this makeup look. If you do, comment down below, like this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. And if you have any requests about any makeup look that you want me to do, let me know. Till then, bye guys, take care, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and bye guys.